Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The
Liftoff.
10X
We
Daily
have a
Show. Let's get
liftoff.
right into another one. Today is Sunday. We've got the weekly close today. It's August 3rd. XRP's at $3.01. And wow, we've gotten a big rebound in. Guys, let's take a look at it. Wow, look at that. An absolutely almost a straight vertical rebound here. Unbelievable. I thought at some point we were going to continue down, but we are just shooting off starting this week off. If we look at the daily, you can see for Sunday, we had a very nice bounce, a really nice candle. I mean, all the way 277, all the way up to 294. And now to start the new weekly off, we are rising up. Smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's dive into the weekly charts. Let's see what's going on. We just had a weekly close, and you can see this big red candle here. We closed the end of July red. Ultimately, you guys, we did not close below the start of this bullish weekly here. So that's a good sign. You can see we wicked right down to the 0.618. And guys, if you've been paying attention or if you watched my previous video, I said 270 to 280 is 100% in the cards. I don't know if we'll go much lower than that. And as you can see, we came right down to 273. So that was a perfect call, right into that range. We wicked and we actually closed the week by pulling up. Now you can see we are battling this resistance here at $3.02. You can see we wicked to it right here. We really need to see confirmation. We need to see a push up past this resistance and a daily close above. So what we'd really like to see, you guys, is this daily, the Monday candle, close above $3.03 for a confirmation of us heading back to the upside. Ultimately, I do think we are going to head back to the upside, as we are nowhere near the top for XRP. We had 365 as our top so far, but we are just getting started. If we take a Fibonacci from top to the bottom here, and if this was the bottom indeed, you can see our next major move. As soon as we break this 303, we're going to be looking at 308. Then we're going to be battling the 319, the 330. And you guys know the 330, that's the golden pocket on this short term. And then off we go, 423, and then 5, 6, off we go. So I do think August can be a massive month. I think we could hit $5 to $6 plus in August. Let me know what you guys think. Ultimately, though, we've had a couple red weeks pulling down. I would like to see a better bottom wick here, especially on a reversal. But at the end of the day, anything can really happen. I mean, let's take a look at a couple of these. Usually when we have a couple candles coming down and we are reversing back up, we have a little bit of a bigger bottom wick. Obviously here was a massive bottom wick. Even right here, just a little bit more of a bottom wick. So, I mean, it doesn't mean it has to play out, but I would like to see a little more of a bottom wick. And then, of course, pushing up higher for the weekly, surpassing 324. So next Sunday, in a week from today at 8 p.m., we're going to need this weekly to be closing above 324, hopefully much higher than that, for full confirmation there. That's it for today. I just want to bring you a very short, quick update, short and sweet. We can take a look at the 4-hour real quick. I'll just delete that. But as you can see, this was a massive level here. Support, support, resistance, resistance. And what are we doing right now? We're testing it. We're testing it as potential resistance. So ultimately, guys, we are at the point where we could potentially come back down a little bit. Of course, the most bullish case scenario is a push higher. These 4-hour candles. I mean, we've gotten 7 4-hour candles in a row. So this thing is getting potentially a little exhausted. But we would like to see something like this play out. A push above, a close above, and then come back, test it as support, and then continue pushing higher. So ultimately, that's what we'll be looking for in the immediate short term. That's it for today. I will catch you guys in the next video. See you in the next one.
Three things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start